So you're a first-time home buyer and you want to get into the market and buy your first home. Well, did you know the purchase price of your property is not the only fees that you should be considering? Here are 3 hidden fees in buying a property. Number 1 is lawyer fees. So your lawyer works really hard to address title insurance and all the disbursements related to the ownership of your property. The cost of the real estate lawyer is typically between $1,500 to $2,500, and it will take care of all of the legality of purchasing this home. Number 2 is land transfer tax. And to be honest, this is a big one, and one that a lot of people don't know the intricacies of it. So, land transfer tax is due to the government upon closing, and it's not something that you could just put on credit. You have to pay it in full. So you kind of have to have the cash and the funds for it. What you should know is it's pretty large in most cases. For example, it's based off of a percentage of the purchase price. So let's say you purchase a property for $800,000. The land transfer tax is $12,475. And if it's inside Toronto, it's double. You really do have to be cognizant about the land transfer tax because it does exist and you do have to pay it. The other thing that's really important to note regarding it is the government does have rebate programs and you can save thousands if you're a first-time home buyer. So look into that as well. The third thing is home inspections. Now, I personally advise for you to do a home inspection, especially if the market allows for it. What you should know is, especially if you're spending so much to purchase a house, spending an additional $600 to $900 and the span of a home inspection could be between 2 to 4 to 5 hours to do a home inspection. It's well worth it. They look at things like the shape of the roof, windows, floor, furnaces, the pipes of the house. It looks at everything that you can see that's not really behind a wall or under the floor. And if you could, of course, get to the roof, aka you might live in a condo or be purchasing a condo. But nonetheless, when you are purchasing your first house, you really want to do your due diligence to protect yourself. Hopefully this helped. There's so much more to talk about. If you have any questions, always reach out.